How you going? My name's Dale. I'm the director of Proform Civil. We're up here at the top of a hill in Brigadoon. This is my family home. We started building here about 7 years ago. Started with the shed, moved into the home recently. We're on a big block. It's great for the kids. They've got plenty of room to rub around. They've got their rabbits and their swings, and we're so lucky just to live here. The reason why I get up and go to work every morning is for my family, being able to provide for them. We're so lucky that we've been able to build a business like Proform Civil and have that backing from the earth moving industry. Started out in the engineering background, doing all types of civil design work for shires and that sort of thing. Always on the computer, looking at modelling software, cross sections and all that. When I got my first CAT machine and it had the GPS and all that, and all of a sudden I'm not in the office anymore. I'm looking at this same computer screen and I'm looking at my bucket and I can see where my bucket is in cross sections and long sections and that sort of thing. Instead of designing it, I was actually out there building it. I'm shaping the earth, I'm doing what I love. I took my skills from engineering into the digger, and it's great, you know. I've got people working for me, but I've got the digger on site, that's my digger. I do my best to get into it every day and get out there and do some earth moving. There's nothing better than getting into a job, coming through the end of it, and just going, I just built that. I've built it, you know. It was stressful, it was challenging. I didn't think I could do it, but I did it, you know. So what I love about Cat gear, I mean, there's many things that I love about the Caterpillar gear, the brand. But you know, even before I got into earth moving, I think everyone has this experience with the brand of Caterpillar. You see a site, you see a road project or something, you recognise that with Caterpillar machines. They're everywhere, you know, they're worldwide. I didn't know if I could ever afford one, but as soon as I could, I was so happy that I could get into a Caterpillar machine, you know. Our clients associate us with, like, you know, the latest Caterpillar gear, and before they even know us, they see our gear, they go, okay, they mean business, they're not mucking around. They look after their gear, they put their effort into the gear, they're going to put the effort into our job. You know, we don't have many breakdowns at all, like none. And if we need parts or fluids or anything like that, you know, WesTrac are everywhere. The Caterpillar network's great. We can go anywhere in Australia and we can work. We work right out in the wheat belt. I think I was out there one time, we took the 15 tonner out to Hyden of all places to build a car park. Got out there, the rear window was smashed because a rock hit it on the float. Within 3 days, WesTrac had a window in the post office next door to me. So that was great. We fitted that up and I was really happy with that. So what I love about using WesTrac, apart from the fact that they cover all our servicing and they can give us parts from anywhere in the state, is that they've got this app, they've got a lot of apps, but one of the ones I use is Vision Link. It's great, you know. I can see on my phone before I go to site if digger needs fuel or needs a service. I can even see where it is or if it's running and if the boys are using it, which is great. So parts.cat.com, that's where I get all my parts from. This technology that WesTrac help us with, it really helps us keep us moving. It's just easier. So one of the good things about doing fluid sampling and WesTrac helping us with that is it picks up on any issues early on. I mean, I don't fully understand what some of the things mean, but if there's an issue, I can ring them up and they'll tell me, you know, it could be this or it could be that. Especially like, for instance, when we got the old loader, first thing we do fluid samples on everything. They come through by email, I can open them all up, can chat to them about any issues with my mechanic, which is great. So what does the future hold for us and Proform Civil? We didn't know we were going to get to where we are now. As long as we keep finding new challenging projects, whether they be big or small, whether we got 5 pieces of machinery or 50 pieces of machinery, as long as our clients are happy and we're happy, we're not too worried. We're always excited to take the next opportunity, and if there's an opportunity to get more Caterpillar gear, we would be jumping at it. We know that WesTrac and Caterpillar, they're going to have the machines there, they're going to be able to support us back up with servicing, and we are really looking forward to the future no matter what it may hold.